Welcome students. Let us continue our chapter, that is chapter 3, motions of the earth. So we have discussed up to effects of the earth's rotation. What are the effects of the earth rotation? Up to this much we discussed, and today we will start our class with the circle of illumination. Circle of illumination, that means the light of the sun, how it reflects on earth, that we will discuss today. So students, suppose this is the earth and it continues to rotate itself on its axis. I have given the line here. It is vertical line, though the earth is not vertical. So for your understanding, I have given this line vertical. The sun is the main source of light and heat that we know. So without the sun, the days and nights cannot occur. So due to the spherical shape of the earth, it is circular shape. So due to this shape, only one half of the earth gets the light from the sun at a time. That means the whole part cannot get light from the sun, and the other half part, that means it is the day when it is in front of the sun, the other part is night. So one part is day and another part is night. The circle of illumination, it is an imaginary line. This line, circle of illumination, one part day and one part night. So this line, the middle line, it is the imaginary line which separates the lighted part from the dark part. So here you can see it has divided from the lighted part to the dark part. Let us try to understand this concept, how days and nights occur and what is the circle of illumination. In a dark room, suppose a room is dark, so place a globe. If you keep on the table or bench or any furniture, if you keep, and a bulb, an electric bulb, if you keep, and before the electric bulb you will keep the globe. After that, switch on the light. You will see that half part of the globe is lighted while the other half is dark. Same thing you will find if you put a bulb, and in front of the bulb if you put one globe. After switching on the light, you will see that half part of the globe will be lighted and another part will be dark. Mark a point. Now this part is lighted part and this part is night. So you will mark it, the dark part, as A. So you will understand it is the dark part of the globe. Now rotate the globe on its axis. That means on its axis, if you rotate the globe from west to east side. That means how the earth rotates. And through 90 degree. That means 90 degree means this part opposite side it will come and there we will go to night part. So like that 90 degree you rotate.